y equals to negative 3x equals to 5. I make y the subject, right? Very easier, easier. First I make y the subject. Anybody don't know what's happening here? Everybody don't know what's happening here? You all know why I did that? Okay. So when x equals to negative 1, I put negative 1 inside here. So 3 times negative 1 is equals to negative 3. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, Then 5 minus negative 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 5 minus 3 will be equals to what? 2, isn't it? Okay? Next, I put 0 into this x here. 3 times 0, what do you get? 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Okay? Simple, We need to complete this table before we can plot the graph. Then how about this one? When x equals to 1, so 3 times 1, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, the graph has been given to you already. So let's mark the points on the graph. Negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2. Sorry, can you see the green arrow below?
Yes.
Negative 1 and 2. So I mark down there. Stop me if you don't get it, Then next one is 0 and 5. 5 is the middle of 4 and 6. Can you see? 0, 5. So it's here. Next one is 1 and 8, right? So 1 and 8. So we'll mark it there. Is it done yet? Done, What's the next step? Join the 3 marks and you get the line for the equation y minus 3, 5. Okay? Join all the 3 lines. Can exceed or actually no actually no. Because we only want to draw between negative 1 and 1. So negative 1 and 1. So we don't draw beyond that. We don't draw beyond that. Question? Now this one is a bit tricky because you look at the equation, x minus 2y equals to negative 3. Very tricky. Very tricky. Very tricky. How to write this? How to make y the subject? So first I move the x over there. Over to the right hand side, I mean. Correct or not? Negative 3 and negative x. Correct, Then now I have to get rid of all the negative sign because there's a negative 2. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So it becomes 2y 3 plus x. So 2y, I take away the negative, I change the whole equation. All the negative sign I change. So I change on left hand side means I change on the right hand side also. I change on the left hand side and I change on the right hand side. So the negative 3 becomes positive 3. Negative x becomes positive x. Get it? Then the whole equation I divided by 2. I write like that. 3 plus x over 2. 3 plus x over 2. Write like that. 3 plus x over 2. Okay, then now you can plot. Now you can put the x inside. Okay, now where's the limit now? The limit now is negative 3 and 3. So negative 3 and 3. Negative 3 and 3. So that's it. My x-axis I draw from negative 3 and 3. Can you see my green arrow? Right. So let's take a look at negative 3. Negative 3 I put inside here this x here. What's the answer? Negative 3 I put this into here. What does it become? 3 minus 3. Right or wrong? So 3 minus 3 divided by 2. What's the answer? 0. Okay? Next, when I put 0 into this x here, what do I get?
0.
Okay, 0 lah. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 over 2. 3 over 2 lah. Or 1.5. Then next one, I add it to the 3 here. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay, and now I can mark it on the graph. Negative 3 is here. 0 is here. The y doesn't go up, go down. So negative 3 and then 0 is right at here. Then next one, 0 and 1.5. 0 and up 1.5. 0, 1.5. So it's here. Next one, 3 and 2. 3 and 3, sorry. So 3, see the green arrow, 3 and 3. Can see?
Yes.
So it's over here. 3 marks on the graph. Join all of them together. And it is done.